We are assembling the apple candy dome. So it is consisted of these 5 pieces. And the first thing I'm going to do is put together the bottoms and the tops. I'm going to say right here at the beginning that my candy domes, I use mini cupcake holders. That gets me a food grade plastic, and it also allows for the piece to open and close. So it'll open and close without tearing up your project. So the green layer, that's your leaf, is going to go underneath this top layer here. And then there's one cut slightly smaller to be an accent piece. So I'm going to glue all this together first. I'm recording. You can ask me a question if you want. Yes, please. And then there is our accent piece. I just like to glue these down first. Let this glue get good and settled. And then I'm going to put some glue here on the bottom of my Now when you glue this on, so there is a slight lip on these domes. So you want to put your glue very heavy around here. So that you can really get, you want your paper to be very pliable. Okay. Get it lined up and just start working your way around. It's going to take both hands. You're going to have to really hold it down while you work it. That's why you want a little extra glue, a lot extra glue. You notice I'm rubbing my finger right up against the bottom of my dome piece there to just really make it pliable. Focus on the edges, getting that sealed down good. And there it is. then you can just pop your dome cover on, and there is your apple candy dome holder. Thank you.